Well, this is certainly an understatement. Most people will never sit in on a Supreme Court case.
All right, but as Mike Sachs shows us, a new play is giving audiences a chance to see how legal battles before the high court actually play out.
We'll hear argument today, February 23rd, 2013, in Shelby County v. Holder.
One of the Supreme Court's most consequential and controversial cases on racial discrimination and voting rights.
The form of discrimination is still discrimination if Congress has found it to be so.
Playing out over drinks on stage at Project Y's 4th annual Women in Theater Festival.
This evil to a level justifying the
That's not what they did with Section 5.
Argument Sessions Disenfranchised is the latest of several Supreme Court sessions Ilana Becker has dramatized after first reading an argument transcript 6 years ago.
The more I read, the more charged I got, the more it felt like a script of a play.
In Shelby County v. Holder, the 9 justices sharply divided over a key provision of the Voting Rights Act, which battled racism at the polls by making southern states get the Justice Department's clearance before making any changes to their election procedures. But because the justices don't let cameras see them in action, the American public missed out on Chief Justice John Roberts throwing this gotcha question at the DOJ's lawyer.
Do you know which state has the worst ratio of white voter turnout to African American voter turnout?
So the play turned that line into an audience participation game.
Yeah, we got Alabama, Ohio, and Georgia. Which is it, Will? Massachusetts. What?
He a little bit of like a snake that's like biding its time and then like lashing out.
Will Dagger plays Chief Justice Roberts, and Rebecca Kelly Golfman plays Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg.
The difference between the bias of the 9 Supreme Court justices and the bias that all of us walk around with is that when they make a decision and when they come together, it's the law that we all have to live by.
And in the end, Roberts led the 5 conservatives in striking down the pre-clearance provision. 6 years later, Becker hopes to raise awareness of its impact by taking argument sessions to the 5 boroughs and across the country.
It's real.
And this case isn't just for Supreme Court junkies like me. It's really meant for anyone to see it. And Argument Sessions Disenfranchised has one more showing at the Women in Theater Festival this coming Wednesday, June 19th, at the ART New York Theaters. And Becker already has her sights set on the Citizens United case as the next argument session she hopes to bring to the stage. Steve, Derek.
Interesting
Fantastic.
stuff. Thanks.
Thank you, Mike.